standing at the end of the Malecón, and this is the beginning of the Cinco de Diciembre beach area. Very quiet, more intimate. Bay of Banderas. And now the Malecón starts, the paved boardwalk. It really is a special place, and it's always breezy, so it's always cool. What a difference, it's so quiet here compared to Los Muertos. Someone told me in Los Muertos there used to be a cemetery at that end of town. Definitely quieter beach. Nice sand for swimming. So it costs more to have an ocean view, of course, but I think this would be pretty amazing to stay here as a splurge for a week. You can hear the waves from your room. So this is the restaurant attached to the hotel, very small, quaint view of the pool. So here's the beach from the hotel. I'm gonna check this out. This is very nice. The swell gets bigger in the afternoon. And the weather has been really amazing. We got clear skies, and they said just 4 days ago it was very hot and humid, but now it's dried off. And it's just been wonderful temperature, and there's always a breeze coming off the ocean. We're like 1 block away from the beach. And now if I go this way, I'll be heading back towards El Centro, but I'm going to walk along the beach for a moment. So here we are. Here's the beach entrance from one of the areas in Cinco de Diciembre. And a tourist stop, information stop, where she gave me some information, which was great. The closer you get to the beach, the more there are street-side cafes. Really quite pleasant. Lots of signs saying for sale, Cibante and Departamento apartment. Here's some typical apartments right on the street. Another little cafe here, restaurant. And they've got started Christmas decorations of the poinsettias. How nice. And now it's already flat, easier walking, but the streets are cobblestone, so you can tell we're in the Cinco de Diciembre area, and it's the second oldest area in PV. So here's a taqueria, where you can get tortillas later. And we're only like 3 blocks from the beach now. And here's a busy intersection on Honduras. And it's amazing how many pharmacies there are around PV. Well, I'm standing at the top of a hill 6 blocks up in the area of Cinco de Diciembre on Honduras Street, La Calle Honduras. And this hill gets steep very quickly. And here's some typical accommodations, apartments. So here is an apartment for rent, and the higher up the hill you go, the fancier the dwellings, and it's helpful to have a car or a scooter because it gets steep. Look at that one unit on top. I'm not sure if that's a contained home, but it's very fancy. It would have magnificent views of the bay. It's amazing how they just stack apartments on top of each other. Look at this building. This is on Honduras Street. And I didn't notice this mural when I was walking up the hill. But it's an amazing mural. Let me see if I can get it from another angle. There we are. Look at that. It's beautifully done, that mural. All the local scenes from Puerto Vallarta. Because it's a quiet neighborhood, a lot of locals live here, a lot of Airbnbs live here. But the thing is, it's a long, steep hill to walk to get to the beach. So it'd be helpful to have a car. And I have to say, overall, I'm not gonna want to rent here. It's too quiet, too far from the salsa dance clubs. But some people like it, so each to their own. You have to do your own research. Here's a sign showing the prices if you want to use the washroom, showers, 10 pesos. That's nice to have. Rinse off after a day on the beach. So I've got live music happening at the Ocean Azul restaurant slash bar at the end of the Malecón near Diciembre. And the live music just started. What a day. Well, right now, I'm enjoying the moment. I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. You were so long, was you still by me? And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.